Best for durability, Pulsar G12KBN heavy-duty portable dual-fuel generator. Wrapping up our list is one product that excels in terms of durability. From the frame to the wheels, every component is reflective of longevity. What makes it stand out? With its heavy-duty construction, we are confident that this dual-fuel generator will withstand the test of time. It has 10-inch never-flat wheels for mobility and can tackle any surface where you will be rolling the generator. The all-metal frame is equally long-lasting. What we like. The 475 cubic centimeters engine of this generator makes sure that it has plenty of power for your needs. It also has multiple plugs, so you can connect several appliances that is within its range. Another feature to love is the 3-in-1 digital meter. A quick look will give you an idea of the things that you need to know, such as the runtime of the generator. The drop-down handle is also a plus. It is convenient and space-efficient. The ergonomic design makes sure that it is easy to hold. What we did not like. Nonetheless, some people might not appreciate how bulky the generator is. Even if it has a wheeled construction, moving it around can be cumbersome. Plus, it comes with only a 1-year warranty. What are the alternatives? Looking for something more portable? You will love how lightweight and compact Champion 3400 watt dual-fuel generator is.